We are continuing with this. There should be potatoes in here. This small bucket here. It should have potatoes, but it also should have either turmeric or ginger. I am not 100% sure what was the last time that I put in here, but we'll find out just now. I believe that we will find out just now. So, as you can see, they are sitting right at the top here. Oh yeah, 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 ants. Woo, woo. My. Ants. Uh, okay. Now we're still recording here. Looks like, as I was saying, you can see here, they are sitting right on top. I don't even have to go that deep. They are right at the top. Now, I don't want to disturb either this ginger or this turmeric here. You know, yeah, it's still growing quite nicely. So, I really don't want to disturb it. I just want to leave it um, to keep growing. So, I'll only scrape the top for the potatoes. I am not going to dump the whole thing, you know, because as I say, I don't want to disturb the magic that is busy happening here with the ginger, or rather with the turmeric. I don't think there will be any potato deep down there. So that's it. What I'll do, I'll take some of this beautiful soil here with worms, chuck it in there, chuck it in here. That's what I'll do. You know, that's what I will do. Take some of this, push it in here. These guys will have to. Okay, and we take it back in. There wasn't much of potatoes. Yeah, but there is much of turmeric or ginger. Okay, now we can close this. us any other dead potatoes. Yeah. Doing the sweet potato. And yeah. Okay. That's that's how much potatoes we have there. Half a packet. It is half a packet. Um, just pull this guy out there. I'm gonna go get few more. Think I have few more. These guys are just lazy to bring the camera with me. They are up there. Another one. Ooh, yeah. Well, here's another one. It's covered with plastic, hiding it from the monkeys. But what I've realized is that the plastic, what it does, it keeps the water, and the water seems to be affecting them. I don't know how, but I think this is about our harvest for today. And yeah, because otherwise all the oranges are still green. Yeah, all the rest is not ready yet.